I would really congratulate the school for getting, taking an initiative to organize something like this. त्यावेळेला annual functions असायचे, now it is carnival and it is need of time to be very honest. कारण annual functions च्या पुढचा हा concept आहे carnival. आणि आज जे आपण इथे सादरीकरण बघितलं, मी आवर्जून आपल्याला सांगेन की ज्या वेळेला इथे आधी रूटीन annual फंक्शनचे परफॉर्मन्स होतात ते फक्त या स्टेजपर्यंत मर्यादित असतात. पण ज्या वेळेला आपण कार्निवल म्हणतो तेव्हा त्या परफॉर्मन्सची भव्यता इतकी असते की त्याच्या लगतचा सगळा परिसर त्या परफॉर्मन्समध्ये असतो. I'm sure in the coming years ahead, this would be one of the most recognized and acclaimed institutions. And the institution has done so well all these years. It's a very, to be very honest, emotional and, like I said, a very nostalgic moment to be, called here, invited here as a chief guest and being felicitated as well. आणि मी नेहमीच म्हणते की माझ्या आईवडिलांच्या नंतर तिसरं स्थान माझ्या शाळेचं आहे माझ्या मनामध्ये. शाळा सोडल्यानंतर किंवा सुटल्यानंतर आपण शाळा जास्ती जगत असतो, कारण आपल्याला शाळेत असताना माहिती नसतं की हा आपल्या आयुष्यातला एक सुवर्ण म्हणजे फेज आहे. आणि तो गोल्डन फेज पास केल्यानंतर आपल्याला कळतं की शाळेतलं जीवन हे किती सुवर्ण होतं आणि आपल्या आयुष्यातला किती सर्वात सुवर्ण काळ तो होता. And it will always be. I am able to actually speak on the stage because my school has imparted good education and has made me that capable to work as a representative for the society. And once again I would like to thank you Rachna ji and the entire school management for having me here, for inviting me and giving me one of the most precious moments of my life. Thank you so much.
As an ex-Ratian, I would like to ask you, how do you feel coming after a long time this event?
Well, this is one of the enthusiastic evenings I have been witnessing since last 1 hour, I would say. Sorry, I was late actually, but the way this has been organized, I just relish all the memories. Like when I was in Rati, I do remember that, I think in 2008 batch. But the fun of that fun fair and the gathering which we used to do in that days, it really stuck in my mind.
So what do you think there are things that a student can learn from all of these events?
Well, student, I would say ki I was just observing taking whole rounds. I can see volunteers everywhere, so they have been guided very well by all the staff. And the way they are volunteering the event, I would say that it's really appreciated. So I would really be thankful for such a good and such a big, I would say it is not just a carnival, it's a grand carnival, I would say. So
see, the major inspiration or motivation that I can give to all the current students who are in 10th, 12th or any other classes they are, first thing is see the discipline that is maintained on the ground. It is so well organized that if it is not disciplined, it will be a haywire event. But the discipline, dedication and determination, what is seen through the staff members, the present students and everybody is really inspiring. Because if they don't have discipline, the event will not be a success which is right now. And for the last 2 hours that I have been here, I am really enjoying it, and I myself is motivated to come again the next year.
Absolutely, I don't think that carnival would be fun without our friends being together and all of us being together.
So that's the whole ideology why I thought about this carnival, because it helps you to learn all these skills which are required by each and every child when you go out of the school. Okay, so thank you so much for inviting me to answer this question. I hope